This was the world record-setting Rimac Nevera. It's much faster than any customer Rimac Nevera. Almost 8 seconds faster from 0 to 400 km per hour.
Oh, he's got me on the line. Come on, car! Come on!
If Rimac Nevera did 8.4 here, the MotoGP bike must be running at least 8.0, 8.1, 8.2 or 8.3 seconds 1/4 mile. On this drag race, MotoGP bike won this drag race by 6 car lengths. MotoGP was 0.3 seconds ahead of Rimac Nevera.
Wow. Chris is away. Here comes Danny. He's coming! Come on! An hour to the half mile. Everybody level. When we reach the line, we're going to go full throttle. Ready? Oh, it's me and Danny. Come on, car. He's going to beat me to the 1/4 mile. Can I reel him back in now? I think he might have beat me. I was reeling him back in, but that was so 210 mile an hour.
Rimac Nevera reached max 355 km per hour on 1/2 mile. So the MotoGP bike was topping at around 350 km per hour here. Only because of her F gearing or shorter gearing. If MotoGP bike was on Magello gearing, it will reach 370 km per hour. Faster than Rimac Nevera in much lesser distance.
Same thing again, this time from 50 miles an hour. Right, here we go, everyone's level, everyone's level. Go. Oh! Oh, come on! He's going to take me to the 1/4 mile, but can I reel him back in? Come on.
So do you want to see a rematch in future? With a 2024 Ducati MotoGP bike, on full power map and Magello gearing, and on a better surface, no crosswinds, very less wind, I don't think the races will be closer. Ducati MotoGP bike will just disappear.